Good afternoon, all the YouTubers out there. Jeremiah here, and we're moving right along with the car. As you can see, there's plenty of filler Bondo as well as a glazing putty going down, and it's hard to see in this sunlight here, but this side is fairly smooth and pretty much almost ready for paint. This side of the car looks really good. We'll look at it from back here where you can see the whole thing in entirety going down the side, so you can see how straight everything is. It looks good. So stay tuned, guys, because the car's not going to be looking like this much longer with all these patches and discolored spots. It is fixing to be fully painted here probably within a week. The car will be fully painted in about a week. The roof, it's even starting to look pretty good. I still got some more Bondo and sanding to do on it, but it looks a lot better. All the cracks in the glass, they look a lot better. That silicone that went down. The only problem area that I still have is the back. It's just going to take a little bit more messing with and a little bit more time than the rest of the car. So stay tuned, because we will have this wrapped up in about a week, give or take a few days.